Good morning, everybody. How are you guys doing today?
Good.
Awesome to hear. Well, my name is Trevor. I'm from Iowa State. I'm a sophomore in teaching elementary ed. And today we're going to be doing a geography lesson on North and South America. And you guys are my perfect age group because I will be actually wanting to teach third grade when I'm out in the real world and getting my own job. So, are you guys excited for this today?
Yes.
All right, awesome. All right, so we're going to be teaching North America and South America. As we can see here on a world map, this is our entire world laid out flat. Now we can differentiate between the continents from different in the seas separating them, and also major land masses. Now a continent is a major land mass that is separated into different groups. Now today we're only going to be talking about North and South America, not the rest of the continent. As we can see here, North and South America are on the left-hand side of the map, which is the Western Hemisphere. Right-hand side is the Eastern Hemisphere, left-hand side is the Western Hemisphere. And also right here is a zero lateral line, which is called the equator. And this separates North and South. And North America is clearly in the north, and South America is clearly in the south. North America in the upper half, South America in the lower half. Alright, and we can also differentiate the two because North America is larger. It's just one way we can separate them from each other. North America is clearly larger with all this area, and South America is smaller. Alright, we are first going to focus on North America. As we can see here, here's a zero lateral line, so North America is everything up here. It goes from Central America all the way here into Mexico, United States, Canada, and we go all the way up to Alaska, over here to Greenland, and then all the way back down here to the Caribbean islands, and then back down to Central America again. As you guys can see here, what is this on the map?
United States.
This is the United States, and this is where we live. We actually live right here in the United States. So United States is in North America. And we also have to remember that a continent has many different countries in it. We're only going to talk, there's a lot of countries in North America and in South America, but we're just going to focus on the major or the largest countries in these continents. The ones we're going to focus on is Mexico, the United States, Canada, and Greenland. Oh, we also can't forget about Hawaii, all the way out here. So don't forget about Hawaii. This is also part of North America because it's considered in the United States. Alright, so as we can see here, and we also can't forget about the Caribbean either. These two, Central America and the Caribbeans, both have a lot of states in them, countries in them. So we're just going to focus on the major ones, like I said. Mexico, United States, Canada, and Greenland. United States, United States. Alright, so now we did that. That's all North America. This large part right here is North America. Now we're going to move on to South America, on the south part of the map, on the lower part of the map. And this is going to be our South America here. Now our South America, here's our zero lateral line, so it's on the bottom half. And we're going all the way down here along the coast, all the way down in this big horseshoe right here, can't forget the island right here, and going back up, and this is South America. Now we're also on the major countries within South America are Brazil and Argentina, and these are the largest ones that we're going to focus on today. And so we just to remember that we also have many countries within these major continents, not just the continent itself. So South America, this whole thing right here. All right, now we're going to move on to a little exercise. I'm going to put Johnny on the map, and I want you guys to tell me what continent Johnny is on. Okay? So I'm going to put Johnny all the way up here. Now, what continent would Johnny be on?
North America.
And how do you know that?
Because
It's in the top hemisphere.
In the top hemisphere. Very good. All right. So I'm going to put Johnny all the way down here. Now, what continent is Johnny on?
South America.
South America. Okay, awesome. Alright, now I'm going to put Johnny We're gonna do this for every student. So now we're gonna put Johnny all the way up here. What continent is Johnny on?
North America.
North America. Awesome. Now I'm gonna put Johnny right here. What continent is Johnny on? South America. Alright, we're gonna do this one more time, but I'm gonna put Johnny on a continent, and then I want you guys to come up here, and I want you to trace the continent that I put Johnny on, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna put Johnny right here. Alright, Leah, do you wanna come up and trace
Yes.
the continent? Here, you can have this.
Alright.
sometime.
What's all of this?
And?
Oh, and this.
Alright, perfect. Good job. Alright, now I'm gonna put Johnny right here. Alright, there you go.
Okay, so
And what-
South America,
South America.
and it's all of this.
Alright, awesome. Alright, Leah again. Now what continent is Johnny on?
South America.
Alright, South
What's
America.
all of this?
All of what?
This.
Okay.
Sorry.
Alright, now I'm gonna put Johnny all the way out here. What continent is Johnny on?
North America, so all of this, and then Hawaii.
You can't forget Hawaii. Alright, awesome job, guys. Alright, awesome. Alright, you guys did an excellent job on doing North America and South America. Now we are going to move on and doing works with maps on your own. Alright, so we both have a map here. We have two different colored pens, and I want you guys to tell me, draw an outline where North America and South America are at on the map. And I want you to write the name in with a different color pen. So mark the continent with the same color pen and write in the name. Don't forget all the little islands and stuff. Alright, you guys are doing good. Alright, you guys finished?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'll collect these from you guys. You guys looks like you did a pretty good job there. Alright, so now, just gonna go over this one last time. Alright, so, how do we know where North America is out on the map? Just a refresher.
It's above the equator, so it's in the North Hemisphere.
Okay, and it's also on this
The
left
west.
side, so it's called the west side. Okay, how do we know where South America is out on the map?
It's below the equator, and it's on the southern hemisphere.
Hemisphere. Alright, awesome. And the continents as a whole are made up of different countries, correct? Right, awesome. And we gotta remember that a continent as a whole is made up of different countries, not just a whole United States is one continent, okay? We gotta make sure we have that differentiation. And South America is the same thing with Brazil and Argentina. It has a whole bunch of little different colors in here, different countries. Alright, and you guys did the maps and everything, so that was very good. Just gonna remember, like I said, don't forget about Hawaii. It's a tricky one. Alright, you guys did an awesome job today. Thank you very much for coming in. I
Thank
hope you have a
you.
rest of your day.